Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Well, good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. It's looking like today is going to be a little cloudier, especially in the morning, and cooler. We are still going to see sunshine into the afternoon, but it's going to take a while to get there. So let's start with a look at Eugene. And of course, the gray skies out there are an indicator that things have changed. We haven't seen skies like this in at least a week or so. And we are sitting at 49 degrees, which does put us cooler than yesterday morning as well, but not so much cooler. It's more so cooler into the afternoon than in the morning. 7-mile-an-hour wind is once again not going to be getting faster for today. We're not looking at a wind event, so it is still a pretty calm day ahead here. Now, moving into the visibility. I got to keep checking up on this just because those satellites are showing such heavy cloud coverage over the coast this morning. But because we're not necessarily in high pressure anymore, it's not getting shoved down and bringing us fog, but instead it's just giving us low clouds. Still bringing the viz down a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was yesterday. Still, obviously though, keep your wits about you out on the coast. You're probably used to it at this point. Fog can just come out of nowhere and take that visibility away quickly. Now, what's going on for today and what's going on over the next couple days altogether, the story here is our huge ridge has broken down, and that ridge is gone now, which means there's actually some large-scale troughing starting to develop, but that's out here. So mostly the flow of the atmosphere at the moment is what you'd call a zonal flow. So it's essentially just left to right. We don't really have a trough or a ridge at the moment, but there is a little feature that is causing a little bit of a stir, and you can see all the lightning. I showed this off about 40 minutes ago as well. That lightning is associated with a little small wave of energy. You can actually see just the edge of it right here passing into Northern California. Now, that is not affecting us as far as lightning, of course, but that is helping to enhance the cloud coverage we have out on the coast right now. That's part of why it's so thick, and that's also why the cloud cover is not just sitting over the coast, but is actually rolling inland, and there's gray skies over Eugene at the moment. So that's what's affecting us for now, but the rest of the day is basically just slight high cloud cover pushing in. You'll see it on the Stormcast here. Starting at 10:30, this is basically when we start to see the clearing along the coast, then we'll move forward from there. Still clearing on the coast. You'll see a lot of this sort of hazy white cloud coverage for today, and what that is high clouds, and essentially they look exactly like this in the sky. You're not looking at blue skies today, more so white skies, but there really isn't anything that happens other than that. We're not looking at really active weather. It's just going to be cloudier than we're used to. Now, moving into the 7-day forecast, we are looking at chances of thunder still showing up on Friday, but now we've got a flat line with our temperatures, just about average all the way through the week, mostly sunny as well. There are some slight chances that develop Monday and Tuesday. For the Umpqua Basin, I think we're just going to be looking at humidity for Monday, Tuesday. Again, chances thunder on Friday, but mostly sunny every other day. Cascade Passes are completely sunny all the way through, except for Sunday, Monday, a little clouds. Willamette Valley, it's the same deal. A little cloud coverage through the rest of the week here, but mostly sunny, sitting in the 70s.